Really, international community asking the Nigerian court to produce the law they use in sentencing Nnamdi Kanu. Do you think that will really work? But that was exactly what Nnamdi Kanu was asking. He was asking the judge that which law in Nigeria gave you the right that you are, what you are prosecuting me on, which law? But let's listen to this. We'll come back with our thoughts.
The International Criminal Court, ICC, have now asked James Omotosho to produce a written law upon which he prosecute Nnamdi Kanu, in jail Nnamdi Kanu life imprisonment. Failing to do so, that he will be arrested. This is the cool information. This is International Criminal Court, and these are their judges here. What do you think that will happen? We tell you that now that they have jail Nnamdi Kanu, a trap Nnamdi Kanu set for them, they have fell inside it. Now America is coming hard. All the politicians are running helter scatter. The judges are now running helter scatter.
Before now, we have been hearing the international community say that, especially that first time when Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, and thinking that even Buhari and Malami, all of them, that time that the international courts was asking them why did they, take him from Kenya to this, but we didn't hear anything. And people always say, oh, Nigeria is a sovereign country, that if anybody or any group of people in Nigeria calling the international community to come and help the country, that they will never do that because they don't even have the interest of the country. No country will leave his own country to come and fight for you, because almost all the countries, especially those Western countries, they are fighting for supremacy. Most of the powerful countries in the world, all of them are fighting for power. Nobody will want you to compete with them. And of course, that has really been ringing in the ears of many Nigerians, that no international community or whatever cause is coming to help anybody. But we are seeing a different turnaround with the threat by Trump coming to tell us that, coming to tell the Nigerian government what to do, and of course all of them are running scatter. People will not begin to say, but they said that Nigeria is a sovereign country, so why is it that the Nigerian government is running scatter just to be sure that the US Army will not come to Nigeria? So people are beginning to have hope again. Okay, because a lot of people are really interested in the sentencing of Nnamdi Kanu, especially the international community, and based on the way it has been even discussed, I think one of the lawmakers in the United States, as soon as Nnamdi Kanu was sentenced, he came out and said no, with what he saw, that was not the right thing. And Nnamdi Kanu has already asked that question, or was asking that judge that very day before he was being thrown out, and he said all that he said. And it's surprising that today nobody is even talking about it. Okay, this man was asking pertinent question, that under which law are you sentencing me? But people are just busy about telling us, oh, he was rude, he was this, he was that. We are leaving the substance and chasing shadows. Well, the people also we see continue to have whether the international court will have interest or whatever, they will not tell you that they want to take our resources. I think at this stage now, it is not. That's all those propagandas are inconsequential, because the country cannot just continue like this. I saw a man on TV. I was talking about that nobody was checking, that the Nigerian politicians have not been seen anybody. Nobody has been checkmating them. Even the oppositions, they are at times they try to talk down on them. So what Trump is doing, whether Trump is going to come or not, but we can see the effect or the result of the threat that is making the politicians to stand on their toes and begin to work. People are not asking the right questions. It seems everybody has been cowed. Nobody wants to ask questions. People who have asked questions in the past, no result whatsoever, or they are being shut down, not to say anything. So we keep our finger crossed, because I believe everybody knows that that judgment is not the right judgment. Oshomole was asking the question that somebody would testify that he did all manner of things and pleaded guilty, and you are giving that person 20 years imprisonment. And that was why the judge said, oh, it would have been death sentence for Nnamdi Kanu, but what happened is that he just used his discretion. Which discretion? But they are asking you, which law did you use in sentencing him? You could not say anything. So guys, let's know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.